We'll guide you through how to share a ChatGPT conversation. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Sign in with your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, start a conversation or select an existing one you want to share. On the top right corner of the conversation window, you will see a share icon that looks like an arrow. Click on this icon. A pop-up window will appear giving you the option to copy a link to the conversation or share it directly through email or social media platforms. If you choose to copy the link, just click on the copy link button and a link will be copied to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into an email, a chat, or a social media post to share it with others. If you want to share via email directly, select the email option and your default email client will open with the conversation link already inserted into the body of the email. Just add the recipient's email address and hit send. You can also share directly to social media by selecting the platform from the pop-up window, and it will guide you through the process of posting it. Remember, the person you're sharing with may need access permissions to view the conversation, so make sure to adjust your settings accordingly if necessary. This method makes it super easy to share interesting conversations or important information with friends, colleagues, or anyone who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.